Vlogging with the Realme 7 this time. Good day, you beautiful people! Welcome to my vlog. Not yet. Good day, you beautiful people! Welcome to Isa Does Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. And yes, welcome to another vlog test, this time around, as promised, with the Realme 7. And these type of videos, we sort of take around the phones, vlog, take photos so that you can see for yourself just how well these cameras do. A quick recap on the cameras of the Realme 7. Yes, the same cameras as the Realme 7 Pro, at least on the back. Without further ado, the vlog. Morning guys, we are vlogging with the Realme 7 today. So yeah, this is the front-facing camera. I usually vlog on weekends when I don't have a lot of work to do. Qualify with I don't have a lot of because there's still work. So today we're vlogging on a Monday and it might be a little different. Hopefully it's not boring, but it is what it is. Real life. I usually start the morning on my desk. That's my towel, don't mind that. But yeah, on my desk. Have coffee, work. Yes, this is my desk, and that may seem like I am very put together at 9 a.m. working, but this is what I look like. My favorite ratty t-shirt to sleep in. This is 1x on the phone, 2x, 5x, 10x. I don't think I can switch to Zoom while recording. But there is a wide. I don't think I can switch to wide. I think I said Zoom. What did I say? Yeah, I need more coffee. Anyway, so today, first of all, wait, lighting, guys. There, that's better lighting. Yeah, so today I have a podcast recording. I need to finish a video. I need to shoot A-roll. So you're basically gonna see behind the scenes of all of that. Also, I don't think there is a blur live bokeh option on this phone. The Realme 7 Pro has it, so yeah. Yes, folks, this is a very special vlog for you because when I shoot, I usually do it on weekends when I'm feeling young and carefree. But this particular vlog, I shot on a Monday, one of the most stressful, if not the most stressful days of the week. Right, did some stuff on the computer and now I've dressed up. This is a life hack, you guys. Sometimes you dress up even if you're not going anywhere just to get you into the mood. So now we're taking selfies. A quick OOTD shot. Okay, let me turn this on. I've said this before, I'll say it 1,000 times. Great lighting is what makes or breaks a photo. So why is my hair looking crazy today? Okay, so here we have beauty mode. Good. I've already set it up. For OOTDs, gesture selfies work awesome. Yeah, so this is why I love the beauty mode because it just makes you look a little bit fresher without, you doing anything. Because right now I just woke up and, well, you saw the photos. Portrait mode, okay. So that's my pet peeve. Sometimes the settings don't transfer. Okay, so sometimes the settings don't transfer over to the different modes. And so as you can see, that is way too much beauty mode for me. None of these. I want a little face buffing, but I don't want changing the size of my anatomy. So, there. And then we can edit, crop. Nope. Auto enhance. What happened? Ooh. You see the difference? Makes me glow. You have auto beautify, so after taking the photo you can still do this, but I don't like how smooth that looks. I mean, there are other features too. Filter, doodle, mosaic. So all these other features we've seen on the 7 Pro. You can check that vlog camera test video out. It should be up by now. And since it was a Monday, I couldn't just be like all cute selfies the whole day. I had to do actual work. And this is the podcast setup. This is wide. It was definitely against the light, so this looks better. I have the Razer Siren X, a Logitech webcam, a ring light, my laptop. I record the audio here. Well, I'm trying this for the first time. And I'm waiting for Joshua to come in so we can start this week's Technically Together. Right. Babe, where are you? Hi, he is here, but you can hear him because earphones. Yeah, listen to our podcast Technically Together. Finish podcast. I'm gonna go downstairs to the dogs. Shut down bedroom light. Yes. Smart home, you guys. Let's go. Videoception. I was editing this part and then it said, Alexa, turn off the lights. And it turned off my lights. Yeah. Alexa, turn on my bedroom lights. More like it. Back to the vlog. And yes, the dogs are next. I changed my shoes because I also plan on working out. Look at these doggies. So I'm shooting in 1080p, 30 FPS. This is 1x, whoa, 2x, 5x. What is going on? 10x, back to 1x. That is what is going on. And this is what is going on. I have no idea why they do this every time. Guys! Guys! Yeah, like I said, you can't switch from all those cameras to wide while you're already recording, but it's a mishmash of dogs! Now let's switch to 60 FPS 1080p. Okay, 60 FPS 1080p. Whoa. Look. This is 1x. 1x. 2x. Whoa. What is... Okay. Okay. Let's use true. 1x. 2x. 5x. That is 10x. This is now 4K. This phone can also shoot in 4K, but wait. No, you ruined my zoom. Okay, back to true. This is 5x in 4K now. 10x in 4K. And back to 1x. I can't seem to do wide on 4K because it switches back to 1080p. Hello! I mean, on the other hand, the front-facing camera shoots in 1080p and I can't seem to find like effects like live bokeh or beauty modes, and well, that's fine. Right? Right. And this is also walking and talking with it. Are you enjoying this? No? Okay. So, This is normal walking and talking. And on the middle here, we have steady mode turned on. And on the rightmost panel, this is ultra steady mode max. Looks like it's a wider frame, right, True? Yes. Hi. What? Wow. Hello. Hello. Wow. Obviously, it is not like selfies, only is here for the hugs and the cuddles. Huh? No selfies, huh? Wow. So, like I said, this camera has a 64 megapixel main camera. And that means there's a 64 megapixel mode. So, let's try that on the other dogs. Let's do that. Right? There is a pro mode on 64 megapixel mode. Let's say I'm taking a photo of Bruce. That is 64 megapixel mode. Let's take a normal one. So this is the normal one, and this is the 64 megapixel mode. If I wanted to crop it, well, as you can see, it only zooms up until there. This one, on the other hand, zooms in way more. Again, 64 megapixel mode basically means a bigger photo. Can we do doggy portrait modes though? Bruce, don't be so shy. There. Yes, that looks good. We interrupt this program because this little dog is making papansin again. Look. Hello, man. What? So, just like the Realme 7 Pro, the Ultra Macro mode on this, I'm not the biggest fan of, but look at this. It also has AI macro lenses, and I think that actually looks better. Nala, cooperate! I don't know what's going on here. I think it's just this baby being shy, but every time I put this to his face, he just doesn't want it. Hello? Oh yeah, he does that, and it's so cute. Hello, this is Nala. Okay, I want to try the macro mode and try to take Nala's eyelashes because they're so cute. Right, so I also noticed this on the Realme 7 Pro, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the Ultra Macro mode. But as we just saw, there is a non-Ultra Macro mode that's still pretty good, and it automatically turns on with AI. This is also what the dogs look like when they're like on the verge of fighting. Shh! And so you just sort of distract them and break them up. Okay, I love how that like the sun looks right now. Let's take some HDR photos. I love these dogs, but they just peed in the wrong spot, so BRB, I'm gonna have to clean that up. Sino yon? Who peed? Was it you? Misty? Ikaw ba yun? Nala? No. You know what? It was Blair. Blair! Is that you? Hey guys, so welcome to the whole space that I just mopped up for like the 7,565th time today because the dogs poop and pee on everything. I love them, but you all are poopy faces. Poopy face. Poopy face, poopy face, poopy face, poopy face, poopy face. Especially this poopy face. What? What is going on? After some cute doggy moments, I did some exercise because even on days that are not Monday, when we work, we don't just work this, we also work this. I've been trying to do like the double rope, so here's what I have so far. really hurts. And finally, some low light shooting. Like the Realme 7 Pro, I did go out to my garden to shoot these sample shots. Given that this phone did not have as many low light shooting modes as the Realme 7 Pro did, like there's no tripod mode on this phone, I still did it outside because we were already there. And that was my Realme 7 vlog test. Let me know what you guys think about how these cameras performed. Comment down below. I'm curious to hear what you have to say. Pricing and availability for this device is also linked down below. Before I go, I also have the Realme Buds Q, so I'll have a video on that as well. Stay tuned. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use this tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's at isadoes_. Until next time!